Generally, Bitwala does not support accounts for minors or teens. The platform, like most regulated crypto exchanges and financial service providers, requires users to be at least 18 years old to open an account due to Know Your Customer (KYC) regulations and other legal requirements. Bitwala, which offers a combination of a bank account and cryptocurrency services, operates under strict financial regulations. These regulations typically mandate that account holders are of legal age, which in most European Economic Area (EEA) countries where Bitwala operates is 18. The required identity verification process, which involves providing a valid national ID card or passport, is one of the main barriers for minors. The age restriction isn't unique to Bitwala. It's a standard practice across the financial industry, especially for services involving investment and banking. The key reasons are legal compliance and consumer protection. Financial products like crypto are often considered high risk, and regulations aim to protect minors from making investment decisions without full legal capacity or parental oversight. These age rules ensure compliance with Know Your Customer (KYC) and anti-money laundering (AML) laws. If a teenager is interested in getting involved with crypto, there are a few options, though none involve opening an account directly with Bitwala. Custodial accounts. A parent or legal guardian can open a custodial investment account on a platform that offers them, allowing the adult to manage the crypto assets on the teen's behalf. The assets legally belong to the minor but are controlled by the adult until the teen reaches the age of majority. Educational focus. Teens can focus on learning about how cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and financial markets work. This foundational knowledge is crucial and can be gained without actual trading. Alternative platforms. Some specialized apps or platforms are designed specifically for teens with parental supervision, but these often focus on general saving and spending, not the full crypto banking suite offered by services like Bitwala. A direct account with Bitwala is only available to individuals who are 18 years or older and are residents of an eligible EEA country. Teens must wait until they reach this legal age requirement to manage their own crypto banking with Bitwala.